Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you how I render this, how I model this wooden chair you can see on my screen. So if you want to follow through in this tutorial, I'll drop a link in the description. So you can also go to the link and download this rendered image that you can use to follow me as I'll be showing you the basic step to getting this done. Okay, it's not so much of a fixed dimensioning, so whatever works with you, just make sure you are careful to follow the geometry on your Canva. Insert Canva. So this one that I modeled, I've made the I downloaded the image for this, so I'll be using it in this particular tutorial. So insert canvas, and this side view. So I'll be right plane. This is the side view. So there is no fixed dimension to this. So just be careful enough that you're following the referenced image. Okay. Yeah. So you might want to calibrate this. You might want to leave it. Depends on what you feel works best for you. So I decide to calibrate this. I might decide to leave it alone. So I'm okay with this. So let me just insert the other view. So front view. Okay. So insert it on my front plane. So just scale it up to make sure it aligns with this the side view. So just make sure you look through and be sure it aligns at best. Okay. Then small. Let me just check it. Okay. I think I'm okay with this. So just make sure you align your two reference images. Just make sure you align them. If you want to calibrate your own, you can go ahead and calibrate it. But to me, I guess this is okay. Just want to increase it a little bit, maybe 12.5. Yeah, I'm just checking this side. Sure has the same resolution, so I just want to make sure that this side aligns with each other. So that's how best I can help you to also gauge your own. So this is okay by me. This is okay by me. So I have my side and my front. So this is it. So let us start our sketch. We'll start sketch on this right side, this side. And so start sketch. You click on your line command. So you want to start with this particular shape. So you start somewhere around this place and you drop it here. So just adjust this line to make sure it aligns with the, just adjust it a little bit. I guess this is okay. So on your line command again, from here to this piece, then from there to this place, So go ahead and put your 3 points out from there, here, and as you can see on my screen. If you check very well, you can see that at some point you can see the tangential, you can see it tangential constraint. So just in case your own did not bring it, so you can just go ahead and uh, make tangential relation. Yeah, and this is okay now. So finish sketch. So one of the ways to also ensure that your this front plane is in the right proportion is to activate your origin. And so you can see that my front plane is not in the right proportion, so I'm just edit my canvas, edit canvas. So just zoom it in and adjust it to the point where you feel are okay. So to me, I guess I'm okay with this. If it's not the right center, by the point we extrude this profile, we'll be able to adjust it better. So okay, hide the origin. So extrude, change the view cube to your front view. Just be careful and extrude it up to this. Make sure it aligns with this, with the edge of this arm. So bring it somewhere around this place, and then direction, change it to symmetry. So you can see from here that this front plane, this canvas is not in the right place. So just adjust this a little bit. You can just adjust it something, maybe 50. Let me see, 50. Okay, check 49. Okay, new body. Okay, so now let me edit this front view again. It's canvas. You can just edit it, make sure it aligns with this. That I can just edit my extrude again. Let me give it 49.5 or 49.3. So you can just give your own, whatever you feel works best and whatever feels okay with you. So to me, I think this is okay. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so what next? You pick your fillet, you pick this edge, also pick that edge, and drag it inward. You can see, so just want to make sure that both align. We have 47, so let me check 49. Check 50. Okay. 49 does it. 49. Okay. Let me check 49.5 because that's our length of symmetry. 49.5. Okay. 49 is okay. Alright, so you can as well play around and see that works for you. So that's the first one. So you can hide your canvas. Yeah, this button in and start sketch. Okay, this I don't want this. If you can check here, I don't want this to be here. So let me just go back to my fillet. I want the fillet to, I want everything to flow together. So let me use 49.2, 49.3. I think I'm okay with this 49.3. So you can notice that we don't have any edge, we don't have any line at this particular point. So 49.3 is okay. So you can also check your own to make sure that the smoothness and the flow of this particular face is okay. So to me, I think I prefer it that way. So you click on this face and then you start your own sketch. So offset, I want to offset this. So you bring it inward. Yes, -6. So you are not bound to following my input or my dimensions. Just make sure you can check the link on the description. You can check how the final rendering looks like. So you just make sure you want to do it your own way. But to me, I prefer this particularly. So okay, and you pick on your rectangle and drop it somewhere around this place and pick your coincident. Make sure this line coincide with this point. Okay, you can just drag this inward or leave it like that anyhow. So finish sketch, extrude this point, and then extrude it upward. Okay. So to me, I guess this is too big, so I can just go back in time and change this. Instead of 6, and change it to -5. Yeah, finish sketch. So yeah, try it this way. So you can make your canvas visible. So I like this. This is, you can notice this thing. It's the canvas and the reference image and the model, they both look good together. So let us sketch this arm. So this front leg. So this plane, this one that we just extruded. So this particular face, and start sketch. Create your sketch. So pick your line tool. Start from this particular point. Start from here and bring it all down to this point. And come here. Just try as much as possible to be precise. And then come here. Don't worry about this one. We will fillet it. So just drop it here. That's okay. So finish sketch. You can go ahead and hide your canvas again. I just want to make sure that your canvas is not coming in your way of modeling. And also, this is the profile and this is the length. Just this side, so you can see that's the length. So join. Okay, all right. So pick your fillet and this edge. So put it in the right orientation and then make this canvas visible because we want to see the fillet. So drag this out. Yeah, you can see that they are in perfect alignment now. In perfect alignment. So okay. So to model this second leg, we cannot try and put this face create sketch. You notice that you can't put this face and create sketch because this face is a circular face. You can see it's a circular face, so we'll have to look for another way to do that. So just rotate this around and this face, pick it and create your sketch. Then put it around this side and this right view, and then click on your line tools, line command, and draw a line from this point to this point. Yeah. And then get to the bottom, and from here just draw a line horizontally. Also this. So make sure this line is vertical. Make sure they're straight line. Okay. Okay, so you can drag this up. Just make sure, come back right here. Make sure that this line is still in the right proportion. Okay. Just bring this in. And be careful to make sure that it does not snap to anything. Yeah. I guess it is okay. Yeah, it's okay. So we'll also come to this point and pick your line tools. This first part, this place, and draw a line. Also this one, and draw a line. So with your trim tool, make sure that this line is as well is straight line. So if it is not straight line, you can constrain it to make sure it is horizontal. So with your trim tool, trim all this relevant part, trim everything you can see there. So leave this one and finish your sketch. Yeah, we have that one. So also click on this face and create your sketch. So you can just make it like this, and on your line tool, draw a line somewhere here and another line somewhere here. So let's check this right in. So we want this front, just escape. We want this one to be in alignment with this particular line. We want this second one to be in alignment with this. So you can just do a little bit of adjusting, the position. Then you check it again. Yeah, okay. They're not there yet. So adjust them again. Adjust them again. A little bit. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think this is okay because this one will be coming from here. This is perfectly okay for me. And for this, it is okay as well because we also apply fillet. So you finish your sketch. You can see that we have a close profile. If you don't have a close profile, before you finish your sketch, you can go ahead and project this particular face. So for my own case, I already have a close profile. So having done that, you can hide your canvas again. Just make sure that your canvas is not coming on your way of doing your work. So come here, the loft tool, you select this one, and also you this join. Okay, I think we are all good now. You can see everything is flowing accordingly. So click on your fillet and this edge, And then you can activate your canvas again. So you can just drag this out a little bit. You can see, just want it to align with this, so you can drag it out a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. So selection set, and then the canvas and its edge as well. Go back to the right view and activate your canvas again. So just want to drag this out a little bit. Make sure if you are dragging this out, okay, even before I drag this out, let me click on, okay, there is this and this does not align well. It really does not matter in your case. It really does not matter. So and just adjust this a little bit. Okay. Right view. I guess this is more cool now. I mean, this is more okay. So you can just play around and whatever works for you. Just want them to be more okay. So your fillet and this edge and put it in the right view and then just drag it out a little. So when you are doing your fillet, you will notice that you can check, the more I'm moving, the moment this point gets here, it's created another face. You can see. So make sure you are very careful not to get to that point, because you still fillet the surface. So if you have something like this, you will run into error when you are doing the fillet. So make sure you just put your fillet somewhere around this place. Yeah, make sure it does not get to this particular line. So I'm okay with that. Okay, this is looking really good. So from here, what else? Let us mirror it on your mirror. So we won't be mirroring body. Just select features. Are the features we want to mirror? We want to mirror this extrude and the fillet and this loft and the fillet and the other fillet. And the mirror plane is this. Okay. So as you can see, everything is sitting perfectly. See, this curved edge also aligns with this leg. Yeah, I think I'm good with this. So you can see from the front view, the both align perfectly. From the right view, the both align perfectly as well. So you can just activate your sketch. So what else do we have to work on? Want to do this particular side. So create sketch, front plane, and then pick your line tool. If you want to start from here, let's say you want to start from here, you must be very careful because we also have this one. Okay, for example, okay, let me just hide this canvas and let me put this. Let me put this. Hide this canvas and let me put this line. You know, the line I put is this back leg. So you can notice that it is very, it's not obvious. So there is a tendency that you will mistaking this front edge for this back edge. So before we draw our line, just activate your sketch again and just tilt it a little bit, or not necessarily. We want to do this. So if you want to start from the front edge, you can just tilt it and pick it from there. for me, I won't do that. So I'll just pick on my line and just draw a line from here to here. That way, there is no way I will snap to the back one. And also I will draw this from here to here. And then I want to make sure these are straight lines. So just adjust your line. Be sure they are in the right position. So somewhere around there, so still apply fillet to it. Okay, so you can hide this, and then you can click on your projection line to make this a close profile. So we can just project this edge and this edge, this inner edge. Okay, so we have a close profile. Now. So finish your sketch. Okay, extrude. So now if you want to extrude this surface, just you pick this profile, just in case this is the profile you pick. So this is our profile, and then you come here. Start should be from object. This start should be from object. So to select the object will be this plane, this surface, you pick this, and then extend type be to objects. So move it around this place, and then you pick this front surface, this one, and then come here, get a new body. Okay, so you notice that everything sits well. They are perfectly aligned with each other. I think everything sits well. So these are the things you should be paying attention to when you're working with Fusion, or even when you are doing modeling in whichever software you're using. Just make sure you are paying attention to the little things, because we are not using dimension in this particular modeling, so they are prone to making some kind of mistake. So also come back to your sketch, activate the sketch, make it visible. So extrude on your profile again, start from object. So we are to select the object. So select this face, and then extend type to object. Also select this. Be careful so you don't just select the body, you select this face. So now we have the option. We are shown this cut option because this surface, it's a curved edge, so this would definitely intersect with this end line. So just come here and change it to a new body. Okay, so add your sketch again. So we notice that this does not perfectly align with this body. So let us do a few things. So split body, select body to split. This is the body I want to split by splitting tools. So select this face, this inner face. Be careful to select the face and not the whole body. So select this face, and okay, you right click and repeat split body to split. You want to split this body and the face, the splitting tools. Also select this inner face, and okay, so open this body folder, and we have this body 4 and this body 3. These are the ones we just splitted. So right click and remove them. Don't delete them because they are reference body, so just remove them. So you can close this back. So if you check it very well, now we have everything perfectly aligned to each other. You can see this edge, this curved edge aligned with this, and this particular face also aligned with this. Likewise, looking at it from this so I think this is very cute. We have our frame already. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to make this If you check, I want to make this, let me show it to you. I want to make this particular structure, this geometry. So you can hide this. I know, yeah, you don't have a thing, so that's one of the reasons why our canvas is not really needed at this particular point. So pick this face and create sketch. So you can hide this body one, so it won't just mess up with your work. So pick this 2-point rectangle and then start from here. Make sure it does not snap this lower part. Start from here and just draw something and drop it somewhere around this place, and on your coincidence this line should coincide with this point. Make sure it does not snap to the lower one as well, this top one. So, and then you can activate your sketch. You don't need this front for now. We really want to work with the side one. So if you check this side, you can notice that what we have, escape, you can notice that this is very it is the distance is so much, so you can just adjust it a little bit and come back here, and your fillet to this and this also, and drag them inward. You want to make sure that they perfectly aligned, and so we don't want something like this. So just make sure you have, just bring it in a little bit, also bring it in a little bit. So let me check 42. Let me check 42. Let me check 43. Let me check 44. I guess this is not bad. This is not bad. Okay, so we can now check it from the side view to be sure we're in the right place. So if you notice, you can see that the distance is still more, so you can just drag it in from this point. Okay, you can drag this in and just make sure you can see from here now that I think they are most, so just drag this out a little bit. I think I'm okay with this. Yes. This is perfectly okay for me. So you finish your sketch and you click on the extrude tool, click on this and put it in the right proportion as well. Extrude it upward. I'm coming. Okay. And extrude it upward. If 6 or 5. 5 is okay. I'll make it a new body. Yeah. So this is perfectly okay. Then the next thing, let us make this this upper body, this one, this fabric that you can see. So to make that one, let us hide our canvas. This face, you can add your body one again, this face, and create sketch. So just set that, bring it in, maybe -5, I guess. -5 should be okay, or -6. Let's see. -6 and okay. -6. Let's finish your sketch. And also, I make this visible again for your side view because we want to check how they align. So extrude, click on the profile and just extrude it. You can see that they both align. I mean offset, they both align. So 5 is okay. And then make it a new body. Make it a new body. So you can hide your canvas again and make your body one visible. So now we are almost done. So we just want to make the fillet and the necessary finishing. So you can add the rest of the body. So let us start with fillet. Make your fillets, and then this face, this face, this face. Yeah, this face. Okay. Sorry. Take this face. Also come here and be careful with this face. Make sure you are not snap to edges. Just pick that face. And also up here, this face and this face and that face. Yeah, I guess that's all. And give it 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. It's my fusion. It's not responding. Yeah. 1 millimeter is okay. So okay. Okay, so at this point, just make sure you have your work saved so you don't lose your work just in case it crashed. So the software can be very funny sometimes. So I think this is looking all good and sleek. You can see the fillet is really cool. So activate this one, so you can hide your body one again. So fillet this face and this face, also this face and this face. So don't pick this face because we have something that will sit on this face, so we needed a flat face. Also don't pick this face because the leg will be to this face, so we needed something flat. So make those ones, just give them 0.5 millimeter. So that's really cool. Okay, so make this one visible as well. And then this face, this edge, also this edge, and give them 0.5. Yeah. Okay, so make this one visible. Fillet this edge, give them 5. That's cool. So add selection set this face and give it 5. Coming. Okay, so fillet this face and give it 5. So as you can see, this edge is kind of wrapped in. So okay, you can activate this body again. So we have everything done now. We are very good to go. So we are left with adding appearance to this. Okay, sorry, the fillet we applied earlier on. So this face and this face, you can see it's curved and we don't need that, so you delete it. The flat, so we need something flat. So also this face and this face, I guess. Delete it as well. So just be careful in how you pick your faces. Just pick the face and hold the shift key that one too and delete it. So come here as well, this face and delete it. That's cool. And that's really okay. That's really okay. Yeah. So just pick this face and create a sketch. So C for circle. So this is the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. Come here and you see that's where they meet. So you can make it 4 millimeter. So come down here. You see this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. It's not snapped into. Okay, so just pick your line, this midpoint to this midpoint, and then make it a construction line. So you can draw your circle at the midpoint of that line. So also 4 millimeter. So you finish your sketch and extrude this and this. So go on to the right view. Go on to the right view and activate your right view. So we already have that, so you can just extrude it in right proportion. So I guess it's something around, let's see, maybe 0.8. See, apply fillet. So make sure it's a new body. Okay. So you can hide your canvas again and come here, mirror bodies. So pick this body and pick this body, select mirror plane, this plane. Okay, so fillet, pick this edge, this edge, also that edge. So just apply 0.2. I'm okay with this. So whatever you feel okay with, so that's good. So just make sure everything looks good. So this is it now. So now I just apply appearance. I have my own appearance already. I have my appearance, so you can just choose whatever wooden appearance you want to apply on this. So I'll put this one there, this mahogany, like this. So the fabric, I'll put that. So yeah. Also for these little ones, I can put them, just can put whatever. Put paint, the metallic. Just zoom it in. Put this here. Okay. Apply it here. Okay. Also this one here. Yeah. So I guess that does the job. You can see how everything is looking all cool and slick. So let's go to the rendering workspace. So I love it here. You can see the fabric. You can see the fabric. You can see this edge. You can see how it's wrapped in, and you can see. So you can just play around this. You can play around this rendering scene setting and just change it to your own preference. So for me, the very solid color environment. Just want to edit it to something. So I prefer this. You can change and just play around with the scene setting, the camera. You can make it probably maybe to graphical perspective, any way you want to make your own to like. So let us just do canvas render to see what it looks like. Okay.